Nora Fatehi, Canadian actor, has come to the ED office. Fatehi, remember, is being questioned right now as we speak. She's being probed in the 200 crore extortion case involving Sukesh Chandrshekhar. Not for the first time, in the past as well, Nora Fatehi has been questioned by the ED. Once again, Fatehi has reached the ED office where she is being questioned. These are pictures, in fact, from the ED office in Delhi city where Nora Fatehi has reached and is being questioned by the ED in the 200 crore extortion case, is what we know. This just comes a day after, in fact, the police also got a 3-day remand of Pinky Irani in this entire matter. Nora Fatehi, also considered close to Sukesh Chandrshekhar, is being questioned in connection with the 200 crore extortion case. Remember, Fatehi, all this while, like Jacqueline Fernandez, has maintained that she was not aware of what Chandrshekhar was up to. Munish Pandey is breaking that big story for us at this hour. Munish, once again, Nora Fatehi being questioned in her links with Sukesh Chandrshekhar. What else? What has been found as of now for the police to then, for the ED then also to build a case against her?
Yeah, well, Sneha, as far as Nora Fatehi is concerned, remember, she has been questioned on multiple occasions by the Enforcement Directorate. She stands as a witness in the case, but sources within the Enforcement Directorate have told India Today that recently they came across several material evidence as far as Sukesh Chandrshekhar and Nora Fatehi are concerned. And to clarify those aspects, Nora Fatehi was summoned by the Enforcement Directorate, and as we speak, she is being questioned. Her statement is being recorded under Section 50 of Prevention of Money Laundering Act. As far as Nora Fatehi is concerned, remember why she came under scanner in this entire 200 crore extortion case? Because of the fact that there was an event organized by Sukesh Chandrasekhar's wife. And after that event got over, Sukesh Chandrasekhar gifted her a BMW car worth around 1 crore rupees, an iPhone and a few other gift items. After that, there were several chats between Sukesh Chandrshekhar and Nora Fatehi, and Nora Fatehi initially gave a statement that she was not willing to accept those gifts, but it was forcefully given by Sukesh Chandrshekhar through an event management company. Now, as far as Nora Fatehi is concerned, remember, her statement was earlier recorded. She claims to be a victim in this case, but as far as ED is concerned, what they are claiming, that when they recorded several statements, when they are probing the case, there are evidence which points that Nora Fatehi should clarify on certain aspects, and that is why she is being questioned as we speak. And remember, apart from Nora Fatehi...
Munish, if you can tell us.
Yes. Stand.
Munish, you said she's going to be questioned on certain aspects. What are those aspects essentially?
Yeah, well, as far as Nora Fatehi is concerned, she claims that she only received a BMW car and an iPhone. But what ED is doing, that they are trying to find out the money trail of 215 crore rupees which Sukesh Chandrshekhar extorted while he was sitting inside the jail. And using that extorted money, these gifts were given to several Bollywood actresses, including Jacqueline Fernandez and Nora Fatehi. Now, as far as Nora Fatehi is concerned, whatever gifts she received, she is beneficiary of proceeds of crime. Now, ED suspects that there might be other items, there might be incriminating chats between Sukesh Chandrshekhar and Nora Fatehi. It's a fact that both of them never met physically. In in Jacqueline Fernandez's case, there was 2 meetings between Sukesh Chandrshekhar and Jacqueline Fernandez. But in case of Nora Fatehi, there was no physical meeting, but there were certain WhatsApp chats. Now, those WhatsApp chats are also evidence for the investigative agency, and when they came to know about those chats, when they came to know about the money trail, that is when they decided to question Nora Fatehi once again. But remember, in the charge sheet, Nora Fatehi is a witness in the case. Till the time there is no incriminating evidence against Nora Fatehi, her position in this case will remain as a witness. But if there is evidence, then she might be changed to accused status. But that is only when there is evidence against Nora Fatehi. As far as ED officials are concerned. I spoke to several officials who are part of the investigative team. They are claiming that as of now they want to clarify on certain aspects, and that is why she is being questioned today.
Yes, I'm also wondering, Monisha, if this is obviously to look at what Pinky Irani has said, given that Pinky Irani has been detained by the police, is under arrest in fact, and she was the person who approached Fatehi for gifts also, apparently under the direction of Sukesh Chandrshekhar.
Absolutely, Sneha, and not only Nora Fatehi, but Pinky Irani is a person, according to ED, she is a close associate of Sukesh Chandrshekhar, and not only Nora Fatehi, but she also approached Jacqueline Fernandez, she approached Bhumi Pednekar, Janvi Kapoor and Sara Ali Khan. Apart from that, there were 5 actresses who were brought inside the jail by Pinky Irani so that Sukesh Chandrshekhar can have meeting with those actresses. Now these things have been exposed by the Enforcement Directorate, so Pinky Irani's role is very important. Now Pinky Irani is accused in the case. Apart from being accused in the case, she has also given several statements to Enforcement Directorate regarding these actresses. What gifts were given to Nora Fatehi, what gifts were given to Jacqueline Fernandez, how Sukesh Chandrshekhar approached the other Bollywood actresses. So her statement becomes also important. And remember, whenever ED records a statement, it is under Section 50 of Prevention of Money Laundering Act, which means that the testimony of a person becomes evidence in the case. And based on those statements, ED is well within their rights to summon anyone, question anyone. As far as Nora Fatehi is concerned, her role till this moment, it was limited to the gifts she received from Sukesh Chandrshekhar in exchange of attending an event. But apart from that, there are WhatsApp chat which the ED wants to know about. They also want to know that what was the modus operandi of Sukesh Chandrshekhar when he had approached Nora Fatehi, and what were his intentions, to what extent this conversation went on. So all these aspects will be clarified today. She was earlier questioned by the Delhi police, Nora Fatehi, remember. And as far as Jacqueline Fernandez is concerned, remember, there was an application filed by Jacqueline Fernandez that ED is discriminating between her and Nora Fatehi. Jacqueline claims that I have also received gifts. Nora Fatehi has received it, but why Nora Fatehi is a witness in the case and I am accused in the case? So these are the aspects which the ED is going to analyze today, and later on the agencies will clarify whether she remains as a witness in the case, or if there is any evidence against her, then of course she will be changed. She will be treated as accused in the case.